Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Melanin Beauty. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are not. So you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm sorry for being gone so long. You already know what it was. It's school and that's that, girl. I do have more videos coming up. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that I'm currently in the process of recording a college vlog and trying to come up with other ideas as well. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. So hey girlies, how you been? Today's video is a hair install video. The hair we will be installing today is from UNice hair. So thank you UNice for sponsoring this video. I do have my makeup half done. It is not fully done, so it still looks kind of crazy. So mind your business, girl. We almost done. I did the ball cap method. Let me show you what comes in the box though, because UNice sent me some goodies, some good goodies. Okay, they sent me some lashes. These lashes are actually cute. I think I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna put them on in the video. What you guys think? I'll put them on when I'm finishing up my hair and my makeup. Next, they sent me a ball cap, a ball cap, a wig cap, perfect color. I love that. I love that. I love that. Next, they sent me a comb. Oh my god, yes, this might be simple to y'all, but I really like that they sent me this type of comb. Especially, you always need this for wig installs. And girl, they sent me some earrings. These look like I'm going to the Met Gala. Okay, so these are real cute. Okay, also they sent me a bag to put your wig in. This is always good, always. That's the thing about buying from companies like UNice hair. They always send you some goodies. Now I'm not sure if it's gonna be as much as they sent me, but I have ordered from UNice hair before, like without them sending me a wig, and they did send me some goodies as well. And of course we have the wig now. I have been dying. Let me stand back. I have been dying for a wig like this. I have seen all the YouTubers wear it and stuff like that, and I'm just like, oh, I don't know if this gonna look good on me, girl, because I just feel like it's so close to my skin tone that it might camouflage and blend in. This is beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. This is beautiful. This is a 24-inch wig. I'm not sure of the density. It might be 180, 150. It is so full. Wow, 13 by 4. It is a 13 by 4. Wow, this is beautiful. It did come pre-plucked and everything. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna spray my Ibn lace tint. I am not gonna bleach the wig. With color wigs, it's kind of tricky, I think, to bleach the wig. So we're just gonna spray it like that. And ooh, that might be too much spray. You see, give the wig a nice tint. And we're just gonna wait for that to dry. It doesn't take long to dry. And yeah, let's get to installing. I am super excited about this. Okay guys, I am so scared about this color. You think this color looks good on me? I don't know. And also, what you guys think? We should do a side part? I wish you guys could talk back to me. Ooh, side part is giving. But middle part, so I'm gonna do it in the middle part. Like at first, you guys know I switch around, and anyway, like one week I'll do it in the middle part, the other week I'll do it in a side part, so it doesn't really matter. I kind of feel like I should do it in the side part. mold the hair. You kind of see what I mean about when I say the wig might be too close to my skin tone. It's a beautiful wig. It really is. I just don't know if it's for me yet. Wow, this is so pretty. All right, now I know I look crazy. I know, y'all, just wait. But I'm gonna use glue to glue down my lace this time, because I actually do want to keep this on for a minute. So let's go. I'm using the Esha lace glue. Honestly, y'all, I was so shocked about this being a colored wig. Like, I knew it was a colored wig when they sent me the picture, but I don't know, I didn't expect it to be this colored. Like, this is really blonde and brown, like no exceptions. It's beautiful. It just caught me by surprise because I haven't had some like colored hair in a minute. Why I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Basically, I just placed the wig down and I combed it and I took out these little bit of hairs. Okay, so y'all know me. Y'all know I like that extra security. So what I'm gonna do is, take Big Mama, spray it down, and blow dry it. Okay, so I tied it down and I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. Y'all know the drill, okay? And I'll be back. I really hope this looks good because it's like really light and I just don't know for right now. It's so pretty though, so pretty and thick. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. You see how that is melted? Now I'm gonna cut this thing. Excuse me, I gotta get up close and personal. Let me cut this side and then I'll come back. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna heat up my little flat iron because we're gonna be trying the arrogant hay method for our baby hairs, meaning we're gonna be curling the baby hairs first and then laying it down. So we gotta have some curly baby hairs. I'm excited. This is a little cheap flat iron that I got from, I don't remember. So I didn't really buy an expensive one because I'm like, it's just a curl baby hairs on a wig. So yeah. this side a little bit. It seemed like a lot when it comes to install. You got a curl baby hairs, this and that. But when y'all want to look the best, why not? Ooh. I'm just trying these curly baby hairs. I don't really know. I kind of like it. Y'all know I gotta put some makeup. Y'all already know. Between my parts. Make it blend even more. Y'all, so I'm not done yet. I'm gonna finish up my face and then we're gonna come back and finish up this hair. Okay, y'all, I am back. Baby, stop it. When I give y'all a little shink to think, a little it's problem. I'm just plucking this a little more because this side is like plucked way more than this side. So, not too much. You see? I didn't even know I plucked that much. Not too much. That's looking better. Oh, you see? Thank God I stopped plucking. Oh, I didn't even know I plucked that much. Oh, by the way, this hair gave no shedding. Like none. And it's super full. This is some real good hair. And look, I got my pearls. I got my pearl nose ring. That's little pearls. And I got my pearl necklace. And I ain't going nowhere, but yeah. Girl, I'm looking good. So do you wanna wet the hair, girly? Let's give it a little mousse. We could leave it like this, but let's give it a little mousse, babes. This hair is so thick, so it requires a lot of mousse, I could tell, to actually like get it down. I'm not gonna put water just because I don't want it like down, like soaking wet with product, because I want the thickness there. Stop giving the girls very much Beyonce. This is so pretty. UNice. Let me come up close so y'all can see the lace. Oh, UNice, you did your thing. I did my thing with installing this hair. Wow. I hope y'all can see the back. Can y'all see the back? I don't know if y'all can see the back. I hope y'all can see it. I love this. UNice, thank you so much for sending me this hair. Remember, all the links will be in the description box to this unit. I'm really not even joking, guys. This is a very great unit. Very full, just very much everything, okay? So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, more uploads coming soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.